Are you one of those who have put AI on a pedestal, making it seem as a god, the cure all for all humanity and the progress that this world is going to, and AI will make it so much better? Or are you one of those people who put AI on the level of a devil and say it's God's curse to humanity and that we can't believe it? If we use it too much, this world will come to an end. Or are you one of those who are in between, believing AI is both good and evil, depending on how it's used, just like everything else? So I wanted to put to rest some of the beliefs we have about AI that are erroneous. So who should I turn to do that other than AI? So I asked AI, what are 10 common misbeliefs that we have about AI itself? And here's what AI said. I will give you 10 common myths that are in error about AI. Myth number one is that AI is infallible and it's error-free. In reality, AI systems, like all technology, can make mistakes. Their performance depends on the quality of the data they are trained on and the algorithms used. They can also exhibit biases present in the data. This reminds me of the old verbiage, garbage in, garbage out. So it says myth number two is that AI can think and reason like humans. In reality, AI says of itself, AI as of now lacks human-like general intelligence. Maybe that's why they call it artificial intelligence. It operates based on patterns in data and predefined algorithms without true understanding or consciousness. Myth number three. AI will replace all human jobs. Now, this is a big one and it has a lot of us worried. In reality, AI says, while AI can automate certain tasks, it can also create new jobs and enhance human productivity. The impact on employment will vary industry by industry. Myth number four. AI can make moral and ethical decisions. Now listen to this. AI doesn't possess morals or ethics, it says of itself. Any ethical decision made by AI systems are a result of human programming and guidelines. Go figure that. Myth number five. AI can replace human creativity. In reality, AI says it can generate content such as art or music, but it lacks genuine creativity and emotional depth. It often mimics existing styles or patterns. Myth number six. AI can be easily fooled or outsmarted. AI says it can be vulnerable to adverse attacks, but researchers are working as we speak to improve AI's robustness and AI security. Well, that makes me feel pretty good when I think about hackers. Myth number seven. AI understands language like humans do. AI's language models, like ChatGPT, process text based on statistical patterns, it says, and lacks true comprehension or consciousness. Myth number eight. AI can predict the future with certainty. Well, don't believe that. I've asked AI for some lottery numbers, and you don't want to go there on that. Myth number 9. AI can replace human judgments in healthcare and legal fields. The reality is, AI says, while AI can assist professionals, it cannot replace the nuanced decision making and empathy of humans in these critical domains. Thank God for that. Myth number 10, and the last one, is AI is a monolithic, all-powerful technology. Hence, that's where God places of AI are. AI says in reality, AI encompasses various subfields, which includes machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and robotics, each one with its own strengths and limitations. So we have to understand that these myths are what we believe in today's society, and it depends on what you think about AI. Can we use it? Is it good for us? Is it something we can depend on, or is it something that we should fear and try to eliminate at all costs? Please subscribe and put a comment below of what you think about AI.